Kublai Pi Baro Shkatup Khubor Jangi Kedon Bosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentakas ngi kilong. Place subject master degree ketin khasi but social works Haka Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts. Hapdeng ulabba yad rally persha duma ki khana St Anthony's High Secondary School. Ortua saka jingking salat yuksi ujor kahito sha PWD Shangpung. Ban Raka St Anthony's but St Mary's yaka namlado haka district annual sports meet arhajar arpua. Tementang ni apaj ki Khubor ki bakhambania. Katanat jungka school ba Institute of Chartered Financial Analysts of India ICFI kabadon hadhan kiti Shillong mentakasngi kala play bat penbena pat ba yaka jing penrung yaka jing pule master degree ya artili ki subject bathamai kata yaka ketian khasi bat yaka master of social works MSW nadu kanika SNEM school banwan. Dr. Wanway Roy Karluki, MP Raja Sabha ubalong ukongsan hakani ka sngi play bat penbena pat ba baka ICFI kala penrung yaka subject khasi bat social works haka kerdan master degree haka SNEM school banwan ula penpaw yaka jingkmen bat jingya ro ikinong penya jongka ni ka school ba kibalayo I yaka jingkodor bat jingmentoy ka bakraw yaki samla pule hakani ka jylla. Ula ongru baka jing pule ka ketien bakha bat bahikai de ime ipa Nadu dang kelung syadu ki kerdan ki bahajrong kan plilat ki samla ban thuet bat ban ti jeliu ya ki phang bat ki kunjing start ki badon bon sertap hakajat benriu. Ula penseluruh ki samla pule bakin pen kelas ka ketien khasi ya ki kot baken sai ki balatho hakiwe pat ki ketien.
Please see that you make a difference in the life of others because your knowledge will be mostly you'll be dealing with people who are in need of your help. And well, ma'am, I do wish that you win again and you be an education minister. Because I have seen, though it is my government also, I've seen that when it comes to counseling, we really lag behind, especially in the, in the education department of the government. Well, when it comes to CASI, yes, I did raise this thing on the 8th schedule, in which I did say that 50 years we are a state without a language, without a recognition, without being recognized by the government of India or having our language in the 8th schedule. Well, I was sitting with one retired professor, and yes, I would agree with what Dr. Rashia Kapo has said, the Vice Chancellor. That he was telling me, he's a retired professor from university, he was telling me, he said that one of the problems is that it seems that when we compare with other languages in the country, we seem to be short of publication. So what you are thinking of concentrating in your study of the Khasi language, a change in which I think we will not only end up with a master degree, but encourage the students to do research work.
What happened ka jingjur jang Islam mentakas ngi ka St Anthony's High Secondary School lat umkra haka jingalam jung iway na kinong hikay I Miss Nivedita Lingdo kilami ipat ba hasurok pan penlong ya ka jingyat rally nadu Palau School syadu salat umkra police point kum shibenta ban penkre ya ka sngi rakhe sange no bandi duma lane no tobacco de kaban salong haka live hoi terik mentau benai. Hakani ka jingyat rally ki khna St Anthony's ki lara ru ki plakat haki bala tho bonjat ki jing pertasla ban pensngau bat kentu shi ki pat ba ki rang ba bat ki samla ki bakerni ka di duma ban kentat mardor ya kani ka jingblien ka basniu ka bakta ya ka jingkot jingkhya jongki. Kani ka jingyat rally ka longru ka jing pen kan mawi ki nong de nong pet haki dukan he bat ki dukan red bakim dei bandi ki song duma bonjat haki jaka ki ba marjan ki school bat ki jaka puli ba pher lamana ru ki dukan bakim dei bandi uduma secret biri khoini ba bonjat ki drok bat ki kiat haki khna ki bampat kunjo shakarta ka ba arphoisnam.
The principal of St. Anthony's and the school students, I would first express my gratitude to the government for giving us this opportunity to campaign on this World Tobacco Day and saying no to tobacco. It is indeed a very important initiative for us as a school because many of our students are indulging in tobacco in some form or the other. And what we feel is that we humbly request the government to make many counseling centers, especially for young children, so that they can fight this menace against tobacco.
Kadba nang mi kisngi nang pau tengkeren ke jing tre madai mata bat jing le torti ka tenat PWD. Menta kasi ka arpau terik ujemang ka Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization ka than sa sniang hak ka jing alam u president over 5 biam kala yo ban sakhi ya ka jing orpat ka jing keng ba penyeso ya ka salan bat yuksi. Marmar uhi ulalet banbu jing ujor ya ka ni ka jing syam hak ka office terekam ka PWD Hasangpung subdivision. Kaseng kala dawa bat ai jingmut chaki bor ba dei khmi ya kate ka jaka banum pat sha iki kali he banyat lengba kani ka jingking ban lat na kanu ka jingja ka bas ngosi
da krak ko iker pat i office sim khia go ni kani kam wa phang khamtam ki kari he wa ha ba kiching ma to da ai krak ko mon sim khia li pat nya khamtam nei benta kani kiching pungkre kakam kucing ini kesini liwan kam keseng wan lipat ini betul betul mungkin kami waktu kucing le tanggap itu kontrak le torti em biang tuga kenro mulai ila liang kesenya itu sak senyare ikat pari di office sim kia ko ini kam
Halor ka jing betha na ka sorkar bagi skul kin haban shim benta banrat dingkhom ya ki jing bam jing di ba pen snew ya ka kot ka khia kham tam ki khna skul Hene kasi ka arpho tarik ujemang arhajar arpho ar ka St. Paul English Medium School Maulas Nairi Bhoi District kala penlong ka jing yat rali persha ya ka jing kenre ka jing di biri secret haja ka pat ba pat hakmat ki na khamtam ka jing ma ki khna school kabala ban pensne ka jing mu jing perkhat ba jing ko jing khya jongki hakani ka jing yat rali dalam khmat de kinong hikai ringkat bar ka jing tre lang ki khna school la penkut ya ka daki skit ki jing shat bat ki jing kran ki nong hikai halor kani ka phang bala sakhiru de ki pat ba bat ki nong shong yo ka shnong maulas nai
hapadeng ka jing dok te pila pendun kam no banting kwai la ne bantit diri kamot timpin dunai ka to te san ai no ya ki khun chung pila ne something ka la ne shpo ting ka khnang bikin yo ban pendun kam ha ban thit lat la ne thit ro ba te ka ba khadu do ko pan sawan ra hamne kala ban wanyalam ru sha ka jing ya
Say no to tobacco. Say no to tobacco. Say no to tobacco. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hini kasngi ka arpho tarik ujemang lapen kut ya ka district annual sports meet arhajar arpho ar Kabala sedang hakakat pratarik mentau benai Hamadan SAI Sports Complex kabadon hakajaka jong ka skul ba nehu Shillong. Hakani ka sports meet lawan banishim benta deki arpholai tili ki skul jong ka East Khasi Hills District ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School kala yo ban rai ka nam lado na kalyang ki Shenrang bar ka St. Mary's High Secondary School kala yo rai ka nam lado na kalyang ki Kenthai. Hakani kasngi lawan ban sakhilang da ka kong M Lengwa ka District School Education Officer kum ka kongsam harangkat ka jingadon lang u District Sports Officer uba oral mautho ki principal jongki school ki nong hikai bat ki wei ki officer na kitna trekam ka sorkar jilla
Hey, action nation to take. Marhon.
Pada kitu ki khubor ngila poi syuka pakut, tar hadu bangin dia syambiang kublai shibun.